when you start growing any crop, you want to know what pests and diseases are a serious threat to it. And with cacao, that's kind of an adventure. There's a lab all over the world in existing cacao growing regions that show us that there are many devastating diseases such as frosty pods, such as witch's broom, that have wiped out the cacao sector in countries in Latin America. Fortunately, here in Hawaii, we're protected by our geography and being at this isolated set of islands in the middle of the Pacific. Those diseases haven't made it here yet, in many cases, and that is our best means of pest control, is keeping them out. And that means we do a lot of outreach to growers to let them know about those risks and how they can avoid bringing in planting material that might contaminate our growing regions here in Hawaii. There are some diseases already here. One of particular importance is black pod disease, which we see some effects of on the tree behind me. This is a fungal disease, and it is affecting a lot of growers in the wetter areas, in the wetter growing regions in the state, on the Hamakua coast of the Big Island in particular. And growers are using some different practices to address it. They're doing a lot of very aggressive pruning. They're learning to plant their trees at a lower density, so less trees per acre. And then there are also some other cultural practices that can be used involving organic and non-organic applications of fungicides.
And if Hawaii does manage its pests and diseases, it's uniquely positioned in the cacao world.
From the beginning here in Hawaii, one of the exciting possibilities has been with our very distinct islands and the geographies on those islands, the different soil types, the different altitudes, the different soils, that we also have the potential to create a lot of very premium cacao, but that's also quite distinct as you move across the state. And I think a lot of people are starting to say the direction we're going in Hawaii is of having being able to drive around and visit different farms that are producing beautiful chocolate and other chocolate products, but that taste different, maybe from one side of the island to the other, or even from one ahupua'a or watershed to the next.